my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today's unboxing is going to be a surprise for all of us. As you may well be aware, my Fendi pink sequin baguette has gone to the repair shop. In fact, as I film this video, it hasn't quite gone. I still have it here. I need to take it in this week when my client advisor returns from holidays for repair. And I'm not sure how long that's going to take. I think the conservative estimate is around 6 to 8 weeks, but who knows. And that bag came in the perfect time for me to be able to wear it to the fabulous Living Luxe with Meredith's upcoming wedding. Here she is. If you haven't heard of her already, where have you been? Go check out her channel and you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. Anyway, so I've got this pink sequin dress. I'm thinking, I had a whole look going on there. What am I going to do? And I start madly researching bags. And this one got me for a few reasons. So I'm going to unbox it. It's a first for my channel. I have never bought a bag from this brand before. I have bought shoes though, so if that's a hint, see if you can guess where it's from. I ordered online direct through their boutique because I wanted the whole experience as close as possible to what it would be if I was able to go to a boutique, but we don't have one here. And I think I ordered it maybe last Thursday and today's Monday, so pretty quick, and it came all the way from Amsterdam, the Netherlands. So it's a Jimmy Choo bag. And this is going to be a genuine first impression. So it has tissue paper around the outside. We all here for the packaging, right? Of a plain white box. So then let's take this slide off. All right, no ribbon. That's disappointing, Jimmy Choo. So here we have the beautiful marbled box. Okay, lots of tissue paper. I'm getting a bit excited. I love the tissue paper. All right, God, I hope I love this. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. So this looks like it's all, okay, that's all kind of padding there, righto. This is it. Big, they've made quite a bed for it, which is very nice. Okay. Wow. Dust bag. It's like a silky dust bag. Feels, it's all right. Okay. This is going to be so interesting. Look at it. Any guesses? I'm really excited. Oh my God. Okay. Right. Oh. Yeah, okay, this can work, I think. It's a little different to what I expected. I should just show you, shouldn't I? This is the Bon Bon fringe bag in fuchsia. Inspired by this picture. Oh, sorry. Inspired by this picture from Sex and the City, where Carrie buys Burger a Prada shirt and he picks her up on a motorbike in this beautiful look, and her fringe is a lot longer than this one, but this, for so many reasons, just caught my eye. And I'm just going to take this packaging off. This, for so many reasons, caught my eye. Because I thought it would be such a vibe with my dress, and I'm not going to show that on. I'll do that reveal when we go to the event. So yes, by first impressions, I'm definitely keeping it. I feel like Pai Mei from Kill Bill, you know. What am I even saying? Oh, I was even more excited to style this like with what I've got on now. So like an oversized blazer, jeans and a pair of mules, which I'm going to include mod shots of that in this video. So I'm just sorry. It's another one of my typical unboxings. All right. Mid 2000s, these bags were a bit of a vibe with this kind of bangle ring. That's funny. This is fuchsia and it has like an ombre fringe, and it's obviously been packaged, so I think that I might be able to iron these out straight, or they might, eventually drop, but they've got a little bit of a crimp in them at the moment. It has gold hardware and it has this cute little Jimmy Choo what do you call that, clasp, where you can pull that down, little fringes on the ends, and then you can open up the bag. Now it's been really well packaged, like lots of stuffing. There was stuffing underneath the fringe as well, which you wouldn't have been able to see. And here we've got the product card. See if we can see that. Certificate of authenticity. I've never had a Jimmy Choo bag before. That's right. And then there is also a shoulder strap as well. So you can wear this one on the shoulder. I'm not sure if it would be long enough for crossbody, but inside you can see there's enough room. That's the actual bag. So there's enough room for all of your essentials, fit a phone, card holder, lipstick, keys. But what a vibe. I mean, this is very fun, right? Would I have bought this had my pink sequin not been predisposed? I don't think I would have done, because I would have just gone, oh well, I've got that Fendi. But this is just so fun. I'm actually kind of pleased with myself that I went out on a limb and purchased something that kind of speaks to my inner child. And if I'm looking over there, it's because I'm looking at it in the viewfinder. It's just, I don't know, it's so playful. I love that you can do this with it. I think it's like the perfect size. And because it's so long, it will actually be quite an interesting silhouette to pair with outfits. Yeah, I don't know whether to do a what fits, because I'm not sure it's going to be of any value, but I'll just grab a few things and show you. Alright, so I have a few things to show you, or to demonstrate what it fits. So here we start with the inside of the bag. There's nothing in here, no organisation. There is one little plaque that says Jimmy Choo with a sticker over it, Jimmy Choo London. So I've got my keys. I'm just throwing everything in. So we're just going to see how it fits. Card holder. A Dior lip glow. I've got a little concealer stick in case I need to do any touch-ups. I have got a 11 Pro Max iPhone, so this will be interesting. Oh yeah, on an angle, it fits. My 13 Pro is the phone that I usually use. That will fit with no problems, but I haven't got it here with me, so I've got a handbag hook. Now, just on the handbag hooks, these are the DaylesAddiction handbag hooks, and due to popular demand I have reordered them, so I'm expecting those to be delivered in February. So if you're wanting to pick up a DaylesAddiction handbag hook, wait till Feb. I'll announce it on the channel, so I'll pop that in so I can hang the bag. And then I also have this very special little Chanel double facets mirror that my wonderful subscriber Amelia, who won my Christmas giveaway of the Louis Vuitton key holder or clay, which one was it? Anyway, my Louis Vuitton giveaway last Vlogmas, she sent me a surprise Christmas gift in the mail. I'll pop a picture of it up here. But I have wanted to buy that double facets mirror forever and just never have. So thank you, Amelia. Thank you so much. So that all fits inside the bag, and that is with a Pro Max iPhone 11. So I think that is pretty good. Now, granted, with a smaller phone, it's going to sit a lot better. And it feels really, really sturdy. So that is good to know. I paid full price for this. I actually could have got 15% off if I bought it through Net-a-Porter, but they had a bit of a delay on shipping, so I wasn't willing to take that risk. But yeah, I think it's really interesting. It's like a kind of a satin finish, and the fringing is, I don't know, but beautiful ombre fringing. It's a really beautifully finished bag. The hardware is just divine. Stay tuned because I will vlog the getting ready part of the wedding, and that will be coming up fairly shortly. Let me know what you think of this super playful, fun bag. Can you see the resemblance to Carrie's bag? Yeah, how exciting! I don't know if I've covered everything. What else should I cover in an unboxing? I don't know, I can't remember. Does anyone else have Jimmy Choo bags, and what do you think of them? And is this classified as a luxury handbag? I mean, for the price, I think it should be. But, you know, I think it is a luxury handbag. But what do you guys think? I don't know. Let me know. Let's just talk about it. Right, it also comes in black with chain instead of the fringe, and black with fringe. So I'll pop pictures of that in here as well so you can see the alternatives. But I was definitely not a fan of the bonbon itself because I don't really like bucket bags. But this is a bonbon that I am down for. So yeah, thanks for experiencing this with me. Thank you, Jimmy Choo. So far so good. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and sometimes some extras. I would love to see you back for the next one. Until then, ciao!